Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Imagine you're getting purchase orders from all your customers as usual, where they use a period to separate thousands and a comma for decimal values. A format common in many European countries. But then you get a new customer from the US or UK where they use a comma to separate thousands and a period for decimal values. That can lead to a total mess up in the ERP system. That's why I'll show you today how you can set a rule in your Extract AI process template to recognize the customer that uses this different format and adjust it to the format of your liking. Here we have our process template. Since we know all of our documents except one are separated by comma, let's go under Item Settings and set the decimal separator. Now let's set item price and total price as a number. This will help us edit the data once it's extracted into Excel. Under Details, we can add a new rule for our exception. Here we choose the first step and customer company name. Next, we can write the name of the company we'd like to use as an example. We can set the decimal separator to a dot because that's what this company uses. From now on, this template will use a comma as the decimal separator for all customers except those listed under exceptions. Let's download the Excel file. We can now edit this data because we set it as a number before in the process template. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below and I'll be happy to answer them. Subscribe for more videos on how to automate your workflow, and I'll see you in the next one.